authorized user. What is this? Being added as an authorized user is when a primary cardholder who has a credit account with banks such as Navy Federal, Wells Fargo, Amex, and a list of other banks where you can be added as an authorized user on their credit report. Now, what does this do for you as being added as an authorized user? You get to inherit all of the payment history of that primary credit card holder. Now, it doesn't have the limit of 2 years, such as things like the rent reporting. So it's unlimited the amount of payment history that you can inherit from that person. And also you inherit the back payment history and also the forward payment history. And also when you get added as an authorized user, you also, if you have utilization problems on your credit report, that also will could possibly lower your credit utilization. So say you have a $2,000 total available credit limit on your credit report on your credit card. So say if you use $1,000, so your utilization will be at what? 50%. So say if me as a primary credit card holder, I add you as an authorized user on my $10,000 credit card. Now that'll bring your utilization down because it'll add my $10,000 if I don't have a balance, of course, to your $2,000, which will give you available credit balance of $12,000. So $1,000 divided by $12,000 will be your credit utilization. I hope this helps you.